Hi guys, it's me, SCBF Boy 123, coming alive with an Adventure Time mystery figure. At the back we could see Finn with weapons and sword. Jake covering Finn body, Finn hands up. The LSP, Ice King, and I know this Finn. I know this vampire. What I forget the name. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, cross your fingers. But I'm thinking of time though is this guy. Okay. Shake. Lucky. Move that step. Bring your luck to forward. Then you move that. Then you turn around. Shake it, malala. Okay, I got the name. Oh, you have a paper. A freaking paper, yay. It's rare shit. Let me see your paper. Wait. Oh, we have Jake. Isn't that the one that I'm fortune teller? I'm a fortune teller, okay? So, please subscribe, like, JK. I'll finish it. I'm gonna show you the details of this figure. First, we're gonna see sword. Finn. Detail is not so good. Okay. We have his shoes. Kind of like when he's attacking. Shoes like attack. We have the owner shoes like his old shoe. You can see the two sides that is like action that he's fighting. It's his face. It's like mad. Sword. So we have this thing. It's then we have Adventure Time. Come on, my friend, going to the Adventure Time. Bag of stuff. Okay. So make this put stinky at his back. It doesn't stinky at booty. Booty so sexy. Quite nice. So we're gonna stick it here. Yeah. Finn. Now buy it if you want to see more booster packs like this. Please put a comment. I also collect minifigures, Lego minifigures, but that time I was not a YouTuber yet. So if you want to see minifigures pack, I'll show you my collections of Legos. This is a collection of Legos. Yeah. Luffy, Monkey D. Luffy. Some mystery pack, Game Boy Live. Yeah. We have this set. There some Ninjago. This is from Singapore IG50 Kids School Builders. It's a Minecraft stuff. It's not all Lego, but it's kind of like I have the full set of the Lego Simpson #1, which is here and here. Okay. And yes, here's some of my figures.